Tonight on Drink History, Spooky Halloween Edition, we explore absinthe and its unlikely beginnings, and the mysterious myths and legends that surround this outlaw spirit. I'm also going to build you a version of this classic drink. Let's get right into it. Perhaps absinthe is best known for inducing madness in Van Gogh, and the muse for the likes of Oscar Wilde, and many more. Banned for almost 100 years, believed to induce psychedelic effects and madness in those who drank it. Could it be your new favorite Halloween drink? Yes, we think so too. So the legend goes, in around 1792, Dr. Pierre Ordinaire, a French doctor in Couvet, Switzerland, adapted a local herbal folk remedy to cure patients. The locally harvested plant, Artemisia absinthium, with the addition of an imported Spanish aniseed, gave the drink its emerald green hue. It was originally sold as a medical elixir. Even French soldiers fighting in Algeria had been given the medicine as an anti-malarial treatment. "Nurse, more absinthe, please." Fast forward 5 years later, we find Dr. Ordinaire's wormwood potion, now called absinthe, and being extremely popular amongst all walks of life, especially with the destructive parasite that almost devastated France's wine industry. So in comes absinthe to save the day. Both the working class and the wealthy consume 36 million liters a year. 36 million liters per year? Sheesh. 1800s. Take it easy. The ban came about from hysteria and fear, but alas, cooler heads prevailed and all bans have been lifted. Maybe it's time for absinthe to make a comeback. Traditionally, absinthe in a sugar cube is placed under an ice water drip and the sugar cube slowly dissolves through a slotted spoon. Tonight we're preparing a bohemian-style absinthe. The flambe speeds up the process, plus it's a cool Halloween party flair. You can see the chemical reaction as the ice water and sugar mix with the absinthe, creating a beautiful emerald opalescence. Voila! La Fille Verte, the green fairy, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for joining me for Drink History. It was a lot of fun to make this episode. Listen, if you know any absinthe drinks or stories, please comment down below. Let's connect. And I do have a little bit more absinthe left, so I'm going to do some more drinks here in the future. So please, like, subscribe, and share with your favorite home bartender. And until next time, know your history and drink responsibly. Salud.